Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Thank you for stopping by. I have a project share. Um, so here we go. 6 by 3 by 6 album with a 3-inch spine. And it's an album, but there's a surprise inside. So I thought of this idea and I started working on it. I said, wait, let me look on YouTube because that's what YouTube is for, to get someone else's help and measurements. And I did see that Janet made one like 5 years ago, but didn't give a tutorial. Oh God, she's changed her name, but everyone follows her. She's makes beautiful work. And so she didn't make a tutorial, so I did. So tomorrow, Sunday, I'm going to go live. I want to see if live works here. And my new house, and so I'm going to see if the Wi-Fi is strong enough. So I'm going to go live tomorrow and do a tutorial. You have to excuse my voice. I have a sinus head cold from all the winds blowing. So anyway, it is a lace album holder. Isn't that so cute? Look at this. Isn't that cute? The stick pins is what got me. I found these stick pins and I said, what can I do with those stick pins? And it went to this. Um, this is like 5, 5, and 5, 15 yards of of trim, and you could put 2 on here. See how it fits for 2, and see the thickness of that, or you could just wrap it all across the one. So see, there's plenty of room, plus it has a tie on it. So isn't this cute? I love it. I think it's a cute project. So tomorrow on Sunday, I don't know what time yet, but I'm going to make a live video um, just because I want to. So anyway, in the video, I won't talk much because I'll be working. So it'll be on record and you can follow along and watch this tutorial and then make one. It's so cute. But if you don't want to watch the tutorial, here's the template. 1 inch in, 1 inch up, cut it. 1 inch in, 1 inch in, and cut it. There's the template. But I doubled it of cardstock and then glued it on, glued this onto my hinge with it a double to make it really sturdy because I didn't want to use chipboard. So it's 2 cardstocks folded over and then doubled, you know. And then here is the directions. So screenshot it and you have it. But I think tomorrow it'll be easier just to watch like a 30-minute video. So, okay, I'm going to let y'all go. I'm going to go and get some head cold medicine like Sudafed or something. So I hope you like that. Isn't it really cute? I love it. I'm really happy with it. Have a blessed day, everybody. All my links are down below. And everyone, I want to say thank you for praying for my mother. She's still in the hospital, but she's getting better. Thanks. Bye.